All right, Durango room 11007. Let's check it out. All right. This hotel is one of the newest, if not the newest in Vegas, and it still smells new. Pretty awesome. All right, when you come in, got touch screen, everything for controls. So your lighting, service, privacy, all that. Got a huge mirror right here by the door. It's nice, big too. Huge and big. I think it's tall. Okay. This is a really, really nice room. Love the way they decorated it. Neutral colors. King size bed. Tons of space. You get a little seat at the foot of the bed. There's your phone. There's more controls there. Got plug-ins, USBs on the wall. Nice. Drawer, little cubby space there, like that. Pretty good sized closet. Shelf up there, place to hang. Your safe is also in there. Here's the bathroom. Got a big shelf down there. That's where they put the towels in that bin. I like that. That's cool. It's double sink. Kind of a dark chrome color finish on the hardware. That's cool. And this does close for the toilet. Little frosted door. Yep. Nice, good sized shower. Walk in. Let's walk in. All right. There's the shower head. And what's cool is the handle for the water is on this side, so you don't have to turn it on and get blasted by cold water or hot water. So you can have it adjusted to what you like before you get in. And it's got a wand on it. That's nice. I really like the color of the hardware in the shower and the sinks. It's nice. Okay. Let's go see more of the bedroom. There's more touch screens. Turn those lights off. That's cool. So you got day and night settings, so night dims it. Day's ultra bright. Just turn it down at night, it's dimming out. That's a good feature to have. So if you want to have a light on in the bathroom, you know, if you got to get up and go in the middle of the night, you don't have a super blinding light at you. They equipped this with an espresso machine instead of coffee. That's pretty neat. Water, ice bucket, 6 drawers. I'm sitting on the bench at the end of the bed. Good sized TV. It's probably a 75 inch, 70 inch. We're here, got a giant mirror. A really large desk. Nice chairs. And looks like a amenities fridge, which is unstocked. So I guess it's free to use for the time being. So look at the in-room dining. Looks pretty decently priced compared to some places I've been and seen. got your cocktails, desserts, drinks, wine, champagne. A nice little seating area over here, a little lounger with a table. It's the other side of the bed. Comes with a Bluetooth speaker, alarm clock, analog. It's nice. Set down to evening. So see how much that dims. That's pretty awesome. I like that. Set the mood here. All right. Now you get one of two views. Turn all the lights off. One of two views. So you get the mountainside or the strip side. We are on the strip side, but since the TV is on, I can't really get the strip to turn on. Maybe I'll turn the TV off. Let's turn the TV off. Now maybe we can see out there. All right. So we got the strip view and looks like Interstate 215. There we go. You can see Luxor and Mandalay Bay, Allegiant Stadium, way off in the distance. See the high roller, that's right there in the center. Stratosphere to the left, and all the other places. Pretty nice. All right. That's their standard room here at Durango, part of the Station Casinos. Hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. Oh, got to show you that. That's the thermostat, all touchscreen. Get these lights back on. Set it back to evening. Evening lighting. All right, yeah, hope you enjoyed the room tour. We got a full walkthrough coming soon. Thanks for watching. We're seeking paradise together. Please give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and share the video.